Hey guys, happy holidays. How are you guys doing today? Are you guys enjoying the holidays these days? So we're gonna, in today's live stream, we're gonna just celebrate New Year and give out some USDT today for a New Year gift. And before we get started, I want to introduce our last week winners. Um, so last week, Kotex and Diamond are is winning 20 USDT from us, which is our Christmas gift. And if you wanna get this reward, you can direct message me or Jay. We're gonna send you the 20 USDT directly through our app. And then today, we're just being casual. You can just ask me or ask Jay anything about our products, about strategies, about market. And we're gonna have the raffle right in the middle of our live stream, and Jay will teach you how to participate. So without further ado, let's get started.
I'm just reading the chat. Claudio's like, where can we Pionex making people millionaires? Where can we send the girlfriend? You can send the girlfriend to me. I'll take the girlfriend. I'll take one of those. I'll take one if you got extras. What's up, Rod? South Carolina. What's up, the Dato? How are you doing? Yeah, so we're just doing very casual stream today, and we're gonna be giving away some money as a New Year's gift. No rules. You guys just gotta claim it. Whoever's first. Probably gonna do it like, I don't know, 15 minutes in. So whoever just gets the code first, you gotta put it in the app and you can claim the box. I don't know if it works on the US site though. Let me share my screen, I guess. Give me a sec. Yeah. Hope everyone's doing well, by the way. We're just having a really chill stream. So if you guys have any questions, just let us know. How to join a giveaway, bro. What's up, John? You just all right. So what you gotta do? All right, put my screen up. Yeah, there you go. All right. So what you gotta do is, all right, you go to your wallet on the Pionex website or app, and then you go to Crypto Box. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a code, like a QR code, or a just regular code, like a number code. Both are gonna be there. You just put the code in, and then you press claim now, and you're gonna get the gift. But only 5 of you will get it. So it just depends on whoever is the fastest. I think that's fair. I think that's a fair way of doing it. We just want to, after a year being with you guys, we just want to give something away for you guys to have. No rules, anyone can participate. So yeah, that's gonna happen, I guess, in 10-20 minutes or something like that. But anyways, just having a casual stream today, and just want to, I guess if anyone else have questions or stuff they want to talk about, put it in the chat. But since it's a new year, I think we should go over the trading mistakes of this year that I made, and if you guys had any that you have made in this year, you guys can share your experiences in the chat. Would love to hear what's been going on with you guys too. But it's been a crazy year. Bitcoin's been up and down. We had a pretty long bear market, I think, for almost a year and a half. I think it was more like 700. Let me see how long it was. Let me see how long the bear. It couldn't have been that long. Let me see. Date range. We've been in a bear market for basically, a year and a half. Hasn't been 2 years, like a year and a half. So I guess starting with the bear market, let's start with starting with the positives. What I did. What's up, Junior? And what's up, Scorpions? Having issue with the tubes early today. Yeah, we're doing it early today, Scorpions, because it's almost New Year's. We wanna do it early so we can all go celebrate and hang out. But so what I did well this year was getting out of the or past 2 years during the bear market, getting out of the bear market early. I mean, getting out of my positions early when I saw this double top, and that's something I always do well. I tend to exit pretty early compared to some other crypto native people who just kind of hold the Bitcoin until it's like 20,000 or 30,000, and they're like, oh shit, I gotta get out, right? But like I got out pretty early, when it double topped. So, this kind of formation, it has a false breakout, right? They literally just break out and then it doesn't hold. So this is a very weak sign. So I got out pretty early on, which saved a lot of my profits. But something I didn't do well was, during the Luna crash, I had some Luna and UST. So something I didn't do well was basically trying to buy the dip on Luna at like $10, and of course Luna went to basically zero, and that's something I didn't do well. I guess I just thought Luna would come back, and I didn't comprehend like the severity of the situation because Luna was such a strong coin like throughout the bull market. I just thought, wow, $10 is a great price to buy. I didn't think this could go to zero. That was crazy. I didn't think it was going to be that crazy of a death spiral, but that was one of my main mistakes, I guess, in trading wise during the bear market. And other than that, I think most of my next major mistake was buying, not believing. Like this happens in every bear market for me. Just when prices go down so much, you kind of think that, oh, we're never going back up, and you kind of just think that like Bitcoin's gonna die. Bitcoin's like over, is at 15,000. We're gonna go to 12 or 10,000. So it's just when the market is so bearish, it definitely has an effect on you. And it's easy to look back and say, now, hey, like 15,000 was 16,000 was the bottom, and we could have definitely caught this, right? But after the FTX crash, FTX bankruptcy, and Sam being outed, everyone was so bearish. It was like peak bearishness. It's very hard to go against the grain and be like, oh, we're at the bottom, we're gonna buy now. I remember when we were at 15,000. Of course, I knew we were gonna go up, but I was waiting for 12,000. Right, I was waiting for 12. I was like, okay, 12,000 is a good level. 12,000 is where we broke out from, where the bull market started back in 2020, right down here. And so I was waiting for 12,000, right? And then because I was like, oh, I didn't want to buy at 16 and then take a 20% loss and go to 12. So just that little bit of greediness really cost me lots of profits, because if you bought at 16, held to 30, that's already like 100%. So I think that was one of my biggest like buying mistakes during this bear market. Just not, because I was watching it here, it looked good, just not buying here. But I did buy at 19. I did buy some at 17. It's just not really committing to my positions, just kind of like, buying a little bit, but not really using the majority of my positioning, which, obviously causes lots of profits. And then of course, Bitcoin went up to 25,000, and then still just not really believing the tides have turned, right? I did buy on the way up, like a little bit, again, like a little bit, right? But just not really believing that we're out of the bear market yet. We tested 25. I believe we still could revisit like 16. Especially after like the SVB news, the banking crash, and all that stuff, and then Bitcoin retraced into the 200-day moving average, which was like a very clear. I remember this day vividly because we were handling some positions for clients, and we actually caught the dip, but then we sold very early because it was very volatile during that period. And during that moment, it's you didn't want that exposure because it could have easily went down, right? But again, it could have easily went up. But after seeing like a pin bar, I forgot what this candlestick was called actually. Well, two hammer bars in a row. There was a tweezer bottom is what it's called. So basically, it looks like a tweezer, right? Like one candle with a long bottom tail, second candle with a long bottom tail, and especially the second one's green, meaning sellers try to sell it off again, but then buyers just came back up. This is like a very bullish confirmation signal. And looking back, hindsight 2020, we should have held our position here, and I should have just went in full size at 20K. That would have been like the preferred entry, obviously, if you didn't catch the bottom. This is like the perfect retest on the 200-day moving average with bad news, and it still went up. I think that's one of my second biggest mistakes from this year. And then the rest of the year was just kind of choppy. I scaled in my positions. It was just kind of choppy though. Nothing much to say for the rest of the year. But yeah, that. So I guess my lesson from this is, pay more attention. Definitely don't be lazy. You have to keep, if you want to make money in the markets, you got to pay a lot of attention. Like a lot of times, like and obviously believing in yourself. Like when I saw this tweezer bottom, I was like, this looks bullish. But then the market's so bearish that you kind of just like get affected by that and everyone else around you. So definitely just trusting in your own views more. If you have a view, I think that's very important, and that's something that I should have done better this year. And as well as just not being lazy. I missed I missed the bottom for a lot of these alts, right? And that I feel like that's just part of being lazy. Like Solana, I knew it was dumping. I just didn't watch it. I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna look at Bitcoin, Ethereum. If Bitcoin has to run first and then Ethereum, right? Because that's usually what happens. But when Solana broke out, I didn't really watch it. Obviously, this is a clear breakout. Very, very, very easy trade. Hide a second. So I'll get rid of. All right. This was a very easy trade. Like Solana broke out, very solid candle closed above, and then just kind of like started consolidating up. This was an easy trade if you were watching it, right? And then Solana just went from 25 to whatever, 125. And this is just part of not being lazy. If you're watching these charts and then Bitcoin is strong, looking very bullish, then you see this like a clear breakout, then this is a very easy buy. And the risk to you is very minimal for the upside. So that is something I want to do better next year. I don't know about you guys, but just not being lazy and really spending more time watching these and journaling these trades. Do boxes work in the UK? I'm pretty sure they do. I'm not positive because I don't know. I'm not in the UK. So yeah, do you know if the boxes work in the UK?
I think it should work on all global side.
Yeah, it should
Yeah.
work, but
Yeah.
UK they can't trade, so can they claim? I'm pretty sure they can still claim it. I'm pretty sure Munro. I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can, but I guess you just gotta. I guess you just gotta wait and see. Yeah, I'm like pretty sure, but I'm not 100% positive now. Sorry if that didn't really answer your question. You just gotta test it out, and you just gotta be quick. And yeah, I think the biggest mistake is just really not believing in the narrative and then like my views of it. Like I did really well trading for the past couple of months, catching INJ from 17 to 40, catching TIA from $6 to 14, and then catching Ordi from $6 to 70. That was nice. So I did get some good trades, but still kind of still kind of disappointed. I wasn't watching the markets more strictly and building a bigger Bitcoin position at 20K or even 25K. So definitely have to improve on that next year. What's up, Penny? How are you doing? London. Can they access? Can you guys access Pionex in London? And any new futures bot coming to Pionex? I don't believe so. I mean, maybe. We're always coming up with new bots, but let me know what other futures bots you guys want to see. We got the futures grid. I am Crip Riot. I don't know what that is. That your username on Pionex?
Or maybe a YouTuber.
Oh, Crow. That's pretty cool. Does that work? What is that? Oh, Cyprus.
Oh, it's
Is that a country?
yeah.
Can I get one of those? I actually want one too, so I can register for KYC with different stuff. Cyprus in USA. Oh no, you have to be a Republic. No, it's like a legit thing. I thought it was one of those I thought it was one of those crypto things. I was like, yo, let me get one. I also want one of those. That's funny. That is funny. All right, so we're gonna do a giveaway in 10 minutes. If you guys missed the instructions, I'm gonna share it once again. All you gotta do is you go to your wallet and you go to crypto box, and then I'm gonna put the QR code / a code on the screen, and then you just gotta paste it in here. It's first come, first serve, and you can only enter it once. So just enter it once, press claim now, and you're gonna get your box. And you can do this on the app or website, but first come, first serve. Depends who the first 5 people who do it will get it. And I probably suggest using the code and not the QR code. I never use a QR code. It might be kind of slow. Yeah, Cyprus is nice. I always wanted to go to Cyprus / Greece. Greece is beautiful, man. I wish I could go there. It's sounds super nice. Yeah, Scorpions. Yeah, in the US, you guys don't have crypto box, unfortunately. It's only for global. But you already won last week's, man. You already won last week's giveaway. You don't need any more. You don't need any more. Oh wait, he doesn't have a crypto box, so we can't even send him one for the giveaway. We have to literally Oh yo, Scorpions didn't win, my bad. Kotex won. That's my fault. Sorry, Scorpions. All right, here you go. All right, for the people who just joined, we're doing a New Year's giveaway. You guys, there's no requirements this time. Just hope everyone have a nice year as we have had here. So basically, we're gonna show you guys a QR code or a code that you can enter right here. To get to this, you go to your wallet, and then you go to crypto box. All right, you go to crypto box, and then you just type in the code here, and then you claim it, and you can claim your gift. Only the first 5 people can claim it, so you guys gotta be fast. And I'll share it in 8 minutes, 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Yeah. I'm in the U.S. Scorpions, but I have special rights at Pionex, so we can obviously we can just access it, things like that. And honestly, you can too. Just try it out. Try registering on the global site with your email. You probably got to use a VPN or something. So I don't know. Yeah. All right, cool. You guys got any questions or any coins you want me to look at? What are you guys looking at? And what's up, Akio? He found the chat section at last. Congratulations, man. I honestly, this market, I feel like this market's like topping out. Everything's just been crazy, crazy strong. And it looks kind of weak to me, like INJ, right? INJ over here looks kind of weak. I sold my INJ. Solana looks weak to me too, but I just don't know at this point because it's up 10x, at least five. It depends where you started from, it's like 10x or 5x. And this is a pretty quick sell off compared to before. So I feel like coins are getting a little bit weaker, like Bitcoin's dropping off, but Solana's still up today, with Bitcoin off, Ethereum off. So it's quite confusing. Nah, I'm just gonna put it on the screen. You guys gotta fight for it. It's no fun if I put it in the chat. Onto. Onto is not a coin. You mean ONT? Diego? What's up? Good day. Good day, Kevin. Good day, mate. I love how people in Europe say that. Or Australia too. Yeah, what's up? What's up, newbie core? Yeah, Bitcoin dropped under 42. I mean, it's above 42 now, but it's not really. It doesn't really matter right now. It's just consolidating, I guess, because if you see Bitcoin drop below it, and a lot of coins are still up. The ones I'm watching in my portfolio. If you guys missed the video last week, you should definitely check it out. I went over portfolio construction and what I'm looking at for the next bull market. I got in ARB. I got a pretty lucky entry in ARB. I got in Link. I also got in PYR, but it's actually back to my entry. So if you guys are interested, this wouldn't be a bad entry spot for PYR. And for SEI, yeah, SEI is super strong. I didn't really look into this, but yeah, SEI is super strong. It's been crazy. I didn't really trade this. I think I sent out. I think I gave someone this. Someone asked about this a couple streams ago, and I gave away the trade idea. This trade idea, and I mean, it worked out good. The trade idea worked out, just buying the dip, but now it's like up way too high. It's just like super strong. Yeah, you can't copy and paste it. I mean, you can just like look at the screen and type it in. It's not gonna be like copy pastable if that's what you mean. But you just gotta be quick. Are we the creator of the Pionex app? I guess you could say that. But no, we didn't create it. But we're part of the team. YHONT. Okay, let's take a look at ONT. ONT looks like crap. I wouldn't trade this. Next question. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Diego. But yeah, ONT looks like crap. I wouldn't trade this. There's no reason for you to trade this. Look how choppy this is. Do you see this? This is definitely no volume, and it's just manipulated or it's just market makers like trading this back and forth. If you see these long wicks up and down, and prices not going anywhere, it's just market makers like manipulating the price, making it look like there's activity. Yeah, don't even touch that unless you're an insider and you know you're gonna drop some like new news or some crazy stuff. There's no reason to trade this. Hello, Habibi. Happy birth official. How are you doing? The data. RNDR is good. I like RNDR. I talked about RNDR last week. I would put this as part of my portfolio in the AI section. I wouldn't necessarily buy it now. It's very high up. This is for my long-term portfolio, by the way. So if you're talking about short-term, you could buy it, right? Look at this, right? It's been following the 21-day moving average all the way up. Every time we get a retrace to the 21, we continue up. So honestly, you could buy it at the 21, but this sell-off looks a little bit stronger than the previous ones. As I said, everything looks like a little bit toppy to me. I could definitely be wrong, but to me, it looks a little toppy. Just everything in general, not saying RNDR specifically. But RNDR, I would build a long. This is even hard to say. This is up. Let me see how much this is up. RNDR is up. Okay, 3x. It's not too bad. I would be okay with buying RNDR at like $3.90, or if it drops to like $3.50, that's even better. And I'm talking about this for like long-term hold. So that's RNDR. I like RNDR though for long-term. Anchor. Who gave me Anchor? Diego. Anchor. Why are you looking at all these market maker manipulated coins? Look, the same thing. Same thing as what's the other one? ONT. It's just straight up like nothing's going on. Let's look at the hourly, right? Yeah, look at these wicks on the. Let's look at the 5 minute. Let's look at 5. There's very little volume traded, and it's super choppy. All right, maybe it's not manipulated by market makers, but like it's just there's no real interest in this right now. All right, it could go up just like this, but look at all these like wicks up and down, up and down. Like, well, who's making those, right? There's no real interest, and on a daily, it just looks really bad. Link looks great. I just got into Link. I got into Link entry. I got into Link at $14. $14 right here. This is my trade, and then I'm holding this for the long term, or I'm trying. Link is up. Link is up a lot too, so it's up. This is not up too much. It's like 1x, but Link is like a high market cap coin, so it's not gonna move as crazy. Yeah, Link I would get in at like 14.50, and I'll probably just hold it. But if it breaks under like 13, I might get out and then try to buy it lower. So if Bitcoin dumps, I would just get out of all my long-term altcoin positions and wait until it bottoms out and then rebuy it. All right, guys, get ready. It's 11:30. I'm gonna share the code with you. All right. all the people who are not true fans have left, so we can do it now. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. That's slow. Is it sharing?
Yeah, but it doesn't show up. It's black.
Huh.
Try it again. Jay has left. Let's wait for Jay.
That's my.
You're back.
All right. Let's try that one more time.
Yeah, let's try that one more time.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Does it work? Huh.
No.
Doesn't work? All right. I'm just gonna.
Right, and it works now.
It works now.
It shows up now. It's just a little bit slow.
You redeem the code in wallet, under your wallet, and in crypto box. Only the first 5 people though.
Time to test your internet.
Let's see if people have claimed it. Let me check my app.
Three people claimed.
How do you know? Oh, it's too late. It's all claimed. It's all claimed. Yeah, you guys are quick. That took. Damn, everyone claimed within like 2 seconds of each other. That's crazy. Woo! Happy New Year's, guys, or almost New Year's. I'm not gonna see you on New Year's, so it's Happy New Year's from me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hoping you guys enjoyed the free money from me. We had a pretty good year, so we want to share. We want to share some with you guys. Let me look at the chat. No problem, Diego. Now look at some good coins instead of those coins that no one is looking at. HBAR looks okay. HBAR looks okay. Yeah, H bar looks okay. It's not the greatest, but it looks way better than the other two. Happy New Year's, Akil. Yeah,
Jay,
no problem.
Yes. So Chase Blakely asked about what do you think of Bitcoin maxes?
Bitcoin maxis. I mean, Bitcoin
Yes.
maxis are, they're okay. Bitcoin is definitely, I mean, I like Bitcoin too. I'm not like a maxi, but Bitcoin's great. Bitcoin's definitely the leader of the market and it will continue to be. And a lot of the altcoins are just a bunch of bullshit. It's good for trading. Don't get me wrong. Altcoins are good for trading, but Bitcoin is. I think Bitcoin is the king. Ethereum is cool too, but Bitcoin, Ethereum are like the most the two that actually have stuff going on for it. Everything else is just kind of like Like Link is okay too. Link is good. XRP is cool, right? But XRP probably won't go up. It's just like a good utility. What do I think about the maxis? I mean, whatever. They let them do them, right? They can pump the price of Bitcoin up and never sell. Be my guest. If Bitcoin goes to 1 million, they're gonna be happy. So let them do them. Yeah, no problem. Happy New Year's, guys. The Dato got it, and Diego got it too. Tato Man got one. And one guy's name is just Pionex user. Oh, that's I can't read Chinese. I still don't know how to pronounce that.
暗木波图.
Okay, he got one. Yeah. Thanks, Chase. Yeah, I mean, let them be maxis. If they pump the price of Bitcoin up for everyone else, that sounds good for me. Yeah, only 5 boxes, man. You guys had 5 chances. The Dato. I recently joined the Discord. Say hi in the Discord in trading or general chat. We want, we're gonna be doing more giveaways in Discord and maybe like trading competitions and stuff like that. So definitely, interact in the Discord. The more, I want to talk to you guys. The more you guys participate, the more chances you will get. The more you're active in there, the more we will do giveaways and trading competitions. Oh, you're Potato Man at the data. I entered the code word on the website and got a message of Happy New Year's. How do I know if I claimed anything? Chase, what's your username on Pionex? Is it Max or is it JB? If you enter the code, you probably got it. I don't know. Discord invite link. I got you. See, I can post it in the chat, I guess.
Yeah. I think it's in the description of this video. If you cannot find it, you can send it again.
Oh, Akil got it. Max is Akil. Nice. Yo, the Dato literally got it last. He got it at 11:31:46 seconds. He was the last one to get it. Yeah, Chase, you didn't get it. Sorry, man. I think you were I think the other guys were faster. All right, cool. Let me I'll post the invite link in the, oh no, she has got it.
Yes.
Next time, Chase, come in the Discord. We're gonna do more giveaways and we're gonna do more like, we give away trading ideas. You can come chat. We can go over trades and stuff like that. And Diego, wouldn't choppy coins be good for grid bots? Yes, they are. I thought, yeah. So my bad. If you were using the grid bot, yes, choppy. Those coins are good. They'd be great for grid bots. I'm personally doing more because the market is so hot right now. I'm personally doing more like swing trades. So I'm doing more like picking strong trades, just following the trend, right? Like for Tia, example on Tia, right? One trade would have made me like 100% with no leverage, right? If I'm trading spot. But for if you're doing a grid bot, you're not gonna make half of that much, right? But if you're specifically doing like grid bots, then yeah, these are great. I definitely approve. If you get like a good entry and you're just chopping around, yeah, that's amazing for grid bots. Even better for futures grid bots. So if you're just trying to do grid bots, then yes, these are amazing, and you are smart for looking at these. Question for us day scalpers: have you noticed during the Asia or London session 20-minute window price where price moves hard in the opposite direction? Yeah, there's definitely there. I definitely noticed something similar. I haven't really looked into it. Like I said, this year, I'm just one of my bad parts is just being lazy. Like if you look at the break between the New York session, or not even New York, like the when the China Open starts, for example, on Sunday, for in the US, right on Sunday, and then you go to Monday. Um, and then it's nighttime for us, but then it's morning time for Asia, and then you'll see a lot of coins either pump or dump, um, be due to that. Like you're not gonna know the direction, obviously, but when the Asia, when Asian people start waking up in Asia, then price there's more volatility for sure. I don't think I don't know if I would say like there's a definite correlation on like, oh, if the session opens, prices will for sure move the other direction. But it's definitely something interesting to look at. There's definitely more volatility when the different time zones, when the different people in different time zones wake up. All right, cool. I think we'll end it early and end it there for today. Hope everybody enjoyed our little chill live stream, and thank you guys for joining us. We appreciate your time, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop me a thumbs up, and I just want to say Happy New Year's to you guys because we won't be saying hi until next year. And I hope you guys have a great New Year's Eve, and hope you guys had a great year. Happy New Year, Scorpions. We gotta get a special gift for Scorpions. He's here all the time. I thought
Yes.
Scorpions. I don't think you participated in the last week's giveaway. If you did, there wasn't that many people. You should have definitely participated. We would have dropped you something. Yeah, Happy New Year's, Heron Morello. Hope I'm saying it right. All right, guys. Happy New Year's. I'll see you guys next year.
See you guys next year, next week.
All right, Diego. I better see you chatting in there, and try out some futures trades too. I post a lot of those. I guess I don't post a lot. I only post the ones that are high probability. But come join the Discord, and you, Aaron, join the Discord too. We can do more scalp trades. Scorpions, you just had to share your Discord. You didn't have to share your trade. You just had to share the Discord link on your social media, and that. But next time we'll do another one next time for you once we make some more money next year, and we'll do another giveaway. Don't worry about it. Happy New Year, Chase. Happy New Year, Potato. Come, see you guys in the Discord. Peace.
See you all in the Discord.
Peace.
Bye.
See you next year, guys.